Open the ELISA Rapid detection box. Microplate reader, thermal cell, centrifuge, pipette tips, pipette gum, charger, distilled water. Open the ELISA kit and check whether the contents are complete according to the instructions. Take animal serum samples for test. The samples can be stored at 2 to 8 centigrade within 1 week. Long-term storage at below 20 centigrade. Dilute the sample serum 40 times with sample diluent. Number of tubes. The negative controls and positive controls do not need to be diluted. Make the concentrated washing buffer to room temperature. The precipitate before use. And then dilute it 20 times with distilled water or deionized water to make the water washing buffer. Leave the kit at room temperature for 30 minutes before use. Take the required amount of enzyme labeled slads. Set 2 wells for negative and positive controls. Seal unused slads as soon as possible and store them at 2 to 8 centigrade. Add 100 ml of negative and positive controls to the negative and positive control well respectively. Add 100 ml of diluted sample to each of the sample well. Change the tip for every sample. Mix thoroughly and cover with cover plate. Then place it in the thermal cell to 37 centigrade for 30 minutes in the dark. Remove the liquid in the wells, then add 300 ml of washing buffer to each well. Incubate for 30 seconds, then remove the liquid. After washing 4 times, dry the enzyme labeled /. Add 100 ml of enzyme marker to each well, cover with cover plate, and place it in the thermal cell at 37 centigrade for 30 minutes in the dark. Remove the liquid in the wells, then add 300 ml of washing buffer to each well. Incubate for 30 seconds, then remove the liquid. After washing 4 times, dry the enzyme labeled /. Add 50 ml of substrate solution A and substrate solution B to each well. And mix thoroughly. Cover the cover plate and place it at 37 centigrade in the dark for 15 minutes. Add 50 ml of stop solution to each well and mix thoroughly. Then measure the OD value of each well at 450 nanometer wavelength. Take out the Palmer microplate reader. Press the power button for more than 3 seconds to start the machine. 2. Click Project on the screen. Select and automatically place the ELISA detection card on the microplate reader and select Save. Click Confirm. 3. Click Test on the screen and select Layout Test. 4. Select project name. Check the test project screen and click Confirm. Five. Click Eject Card on the screen, then take out the card slot and insert the enzyme plate into the card slot and put it into the machine. 6. Tap the screen to classify the corresponding host, positive, negative, sample. 7. Click the test on the screen to start reading the OD value. 8. Click the print on the screen to obtain the OD value date. 9. Click the eject card on the screen to remove the enzyme label sleds and throw them away. 10. Click the settings on the screen and then click the shutdown to shut down the machine.